Imagine a world where the familiar rhythm of day and night suddenly halts, no gradual slowdown, but an abrupt stop. Earth spinning at 1,000 miles per hour at the equator and completing one rotation every 24 hours instantly ceases turning. This rotation gives us day and night, drives weather, and creates the planet's equatorial bulge. What would happen next? If Earth stopped suddenly, inertia would take over. Everything, oceans, atmosphere, buildings, people, would continue moving eastward at rotational speed. At the equator, objects would hurtle at 1,000 miles per hour, like passengers thrown forward when a speeding car slams its brakes. Near the poles, the inertial jolt would be far weaker since rotational speed decreases toward the axis. At the north and south poles, the effect would be minimal compared to equatorial devastation. The oceans would surge eastward, generating colossal tsunamis that swallow continents. Coastal cities would vanish within minutes beneath walls of water. The atmosphere would continue moving too, unleashing unimaginable winds that scour Earth's surface, stripping forests, topsoil, and structures bare. The sudden stress would fracture Earth's crust. Earthquakes would ripple globally, fault lines rupture, volcanoes erupt, and the equatorial bulge would begin flattening, redistributing mass and triggering more seismic chaos. With no rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun permanently, while the other plunges into eternal darkness. The planet would become divided into endless day and endless night. The sunlit side would overheat beyond boiling in places, oceans evaporating into thick steam. The dark side would freeze to Antarctic extremes or worse, creating violent storms along the twilight boundary. The atmosphere might migrate toward the cold side, thickening there and thinning on the hot side, causing runaway greenhouse heating in daylight and possible atmospheric collapse in darkness. Earth's magnetic field, powered by rotation of the molten outer core, would weaken or vanish without spin. The dynamo effect sustaining it would fail. Without the magnetic shield, solar wind and cosmic radiation would bombard the surface, gradually stripping the atmosphere and making the planet even more hostile to life. Life would collapse almost immediately. The initial cataclysm would kill billions. Survivors would face unbearable heat, freezing cold, radiation, and ecological breakdown. Plants on the day side would burn despite endless photosynthesis, while those on the night side freeze. Ocean life would be devastated by tsunamis and extreme temperature shifts. Human survivors might gather in twilight zones where temperatures are moderate, but food chains would collapse and radiation exposure would persist. Gravity itself wouldn't change, but without centrifugal force, people at the equator would feel about 0.3% heavier, minor compared to the surrounding devastation. The moon's orbit wouldn't immediately fling away, though tidal interactions would shift over time. Tides would diminish, leaving oceans stagnant and stratified. Over geological timescales, Earth's core might cool differently without rotational energy, altering convection and possibly solidifying faster. Weather systems driven by the Coriolis effect would vanish. No hurricanes, trade winds, or jet streams, only chaotic flows from temperature extremes. Seasons would still occur due to axial tilt, but as slow migrations of light and dark zones. Satellites in geostationary orbit would lose alignment, causing communication blackouts. Astronauts aboard the ISS would notice the change, but remain safer than those below. Restarting Earth's spin would require immense external torque, like a massive asteroid, highly improbable. This scenario is purely hypothetical. Earth's rotation is only slowing gradually over billions of years. Still, if it ever stopped, the result would be apocalyptic, a divided, barren world. Thankfully, our blue marble keeps turning, day after day.